Now, Bihar Governor Rajendra Arlekar has now said that the Britishers left India not because of Satyagrah, but because they saw that there were arms in the hands of the natives and they realized that they could go to any extent. Referring to the Portuguese Inquisition of Goa, he said that it is time a true perspective about history is brought to light without being afraid of anyone. The Congress party has now slammed the Bihar governor over his Satyagrah remark. Congress says the Bihar governor is disrespecting Mahatma Gandhi. It is out of disrespect of India's independence movement. Well thought of strategy by the BJP to disrespect Mahatma Gandhi and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. This is a statement which has come in from Congress. Listen in.
महती इसकी इस पुस्तक की ये है कि हमारे सामने एक ऐसा नैरेटिव रखने का उन्होंने प्रयास किया है, एक सोच, एक विमर्श हमारे सामने रखा है कि हमारा स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन किसी एक भाग में नहीं था, पूरे देश का स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन था। और वो भी हमारा स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल नहीं था। अनेक लोगों ने जब गन्स उठाए, हथियार हाथ में लिए, तब जाकर ब्रिटिशों को सोचना पड़ा कि यहां रहना है या नहीं। जब देखी उन्होंने कि बंदूक इन लोगों के हाथ में है, हथियार इन लोगों के हाथ में है, किसी भी हद तक जा सकते हैं अपनी मातृभूमि को स्वतंत्र करने के लिए, तब जाकर उनके यहाँ विमर्श होने लगा।
राज्यपाल को ऐसा विवादास्पद बयान नहीं देना चाहिए। वो संवैधानिक पद पर हैं, पर संविधान भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में भारत का नहीं माना जाता, बल्कि उनका संविधान माना जाता है। वो देश के इतिहास को जो दुनिया में है उसे झुठला रहे हैं, अहिंसा सत्य करके का अपमान कर रहे हैं। जिस बिहार के वो गवर्नर हैं जहां से यात्रा की थी महात्मा गांधी ने, उसका अपमान कर रहे हैं। भारत के स्वतंत्रता संग्राम का अपमान कर रहे हैं, महात्मा गांधी का अपमान कर रहे हैं। अभी तक अंबेडकर जी का अपमान गृह मंत्री ने किया, अब गृह मंत्री को सीधे जवाब दे राज्यपाल जी गांधी का अपमान कर रहा है। मैं इसे मानता हूं ये गांधी और अंबेडकर का अपमान भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सोची समझी रणनीति के तहत हो रहा है।
Amit Bharadwaj is still with me on the story. Amit, we are seeing how once again Mahatma Gandhi, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, these names are once again back, and there is a war that is taking place between the BJP and the Congress with regards to this.
Right, Aishwarya, the Congress party is looking it as an opportunity to attack Bharatiya Janata Party over this particular issue. And Congress leaders are saying that, look, first it was Home Minister Amit Shah who allegedly disrespected Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the parliament in Rajya Sabha, and now similar kind of statement is coming from Bihar Governor Rajendra Arlekar, and the Congress leaders such as Pramod Tiwari, who is the deputy leader of the Congress party in Rajya Sabha, accused him of disrespecting Mahatma Gandhi, and not only Mahatma Gandhi but also the entire freedom movement that was led by Mahatma Gandhi. So, Pramod Tiwari trying to draw similarities and accusing the BJP of disrespecting Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and it's the Bihar governor of disrespecting Mahatma Gandhi as well as the freedom movement that was launched by thousands and thousands of the freedom fighters. So clearly, through this particular statement, Congress party trying to draw larger narrative that it is in continuation of what was said by Home Minister Amit Shah, and trying to accuse the BJP of carving out a well thought strategy allegedly to disrespect Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi. Now we'll have to see as to how the BJP counters this particular accusation coming from the Congress leader, as well as whether it also distances itself from the statement that has been given by Bihar governor. Back to you.
Thank you, Amit, for giving us those details. A new front of war opening between the Congress and the BJP, this time about the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi.